Good morning, students. Welcome to your English literature class. Today, we are going to start the textbook reading of Act 2, Scene 8 of Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. In this tutorial, we'll read lines 1 to 26 of Act 2, Scene 8. By the end of this video, you will be able to explain the meanings of the difficult words according to the context, tell some of the references that we have read in the text, and answer the related questions. Now students, before reading the text, let me give you a brief summary of Scene 8 of Act 2. Students, in this scene, the audience is told about two emotional situations. One is Shylock is affected by his losses. Now students, which losses are being referred here? We are talking about the loss of his daughter and his gold coins and jewels. And the second emotional situation is when Bassanio was about to leave for Belmont, Antonio was seen crying as if he was pained by his separation. Moreover, kids, we'll read that a Frenchman told Celerino about a rich Venetian ship lying wrecked in English Channel. So Salanio and Celerino pray that the ship wasn't of Antonio because in that case he wouldn't be able to pay back Shylock's loan. He would take a cruel revenge as he was also upset at the loss of his daughter and money and would consider Christians responsible for it. Thus, he would avenge himself by punishing Antonio. Now kids, open your Merchant of Venice textbooks at page number 68. Now, let's start with the reading. Scene 8. Venice, a street. Enter Celerino and Salanio. Students, this scene is set in a street in Venice. Celerino and Salanio enter the scene. Now, they both are talking to each other. Now let's read. Celerino. Why, man, I saw Bassanio under sail. With him is Gratiano gone along. And in their ship, I am sure Lorenzo is not. Salanio. The villain Jew with outcries raised the Duke, who went with him to search Bassanio's ship. Children, here Celerino says that he had seen Bassanio on the ship and Gratiano was also there with him, but he had not seen Lorenzo or Jessica with them. Then Salanio responds that the villain Jew. Now students, who is the villain Jew here? Salanio is talking about Shylock. He says that Shylock had walked Duke up late at night and went with him to Bassanio's ship. Now children, why did he go there? You remember when Jessica fled with Lorenzo, her father Shylock had gone to attend a feast at Bassanio's house. On his return, he found both his daughter and money were missing. He doubted that Christians were responsible for this flight and that his daughter might escape in Bassanio's ship bound to Venice. So he walked Duke up, took him there so that Duke could take legal action against those who helped Jessica in her elopement. Now students, will continue with the reading of the text. Celerino, he came too late. The ship was under sail. But there the Duke was given to understand that in a gondola were seen together Lorenzo and his amorous Jessica. Besides, Antonio certified the Duke they were not with Bassanio in his ship. Now students, mark the word meanings. Gondola means a long narrow Venetian boat. Amorous means loving. Now students, Celerino says that the Duke reached the spot a little late as the ship was already gone. But the Duke was informed that Lorenzo and Jessica were seen sitting in a pleasure boat. Now, what is a pleasure boat? Pleasure boat means a boat that has all the luxuries to live on board. Celerino further adds that Antonio also assured the Duke that Lorenzo and Jessica were not there with Bassanio on his ship. And as you know, Antonio is a nobleman, so his words are undoubtedly believed by the Duke and everyone around. Now students will read the gist of the lines. This scene opens with the conversation between Celerino and Salanio. Celerino tells Salanio that he saw Bassanio and Gratiano on the ship but didn't find Lorenzo and Jessica on board. The Duke had gone there to check for Lorenzo on the complaints of Shylock. The Duke was informed that they were seen on a pleasure boat. He was then assured by Antonio that Lorenzo and Jessica were not with Bassanio on his ship. Now children will continue with the text. Salanio. I never heard a passion so confused, so strange, outrageous, and so variable. As the dog Jew did utter in the streets, my daughter, oh my ducats, oh my daughter, fled with the Christian, oh my Christian ducats, justice, the law, my ducats, and my daughter. Now children, mark the meanings. Passion means frenzy of anger. Outrageous means excessive. Variable means changing in mood. Now students, here Salanio says that Shylock was so mad with rage, which means Shylock was so angry that he kept shouting in the street as a madman. He was both furious and upset over the loss of his daughter, but more because of loss of his money and jewels. Now we'll continue with the text. A sealed bag, 2 sealed bags of ducats, of double ducats, stolen from me by my daughter, and jewels, 2 stones, 2 rich and precious stones, stolen by my daughter. Justice, find the girl. She had the stones upon her and the ducats. Now children, Salanio further says that Shylock was shouting in the street that his daughter had eloped with a Christian as she ran away with Lorenzo to get married. And Shylock was also mad over the loss of his gold coins and jewels, which his daughter Jessica took along with her. Shylock was calling out for justice in this situation. Now children will read the gist of the lines. Here Salanio told Celerino that Shylock was mad with rage, and he kept shouting in the street that his daughter Jessica had eloped and took his gold coins and jewels with her. It seemed like that the loss of money troubled Shylock more than the loss of his daughter. Shylock was seen calling out for justice in the street. Now students will read further. Celerino. Why? All the boys in Venice follow him, crying, his stones, his daughter, and his ducats. Salanio. Let good Antonio look he keep his day, or he shall pay for this. Now children, write down the meaning. Keep his day means pay up on the day fixed. Now students, here Celerino says that all the street urchins in Venice were following Shylock. They considered him a madman who was crying for his gold coins, jewels, and his daughter. Then Salanio adds that if Antonio was unable to pay back Shylock's loan on time, then things would be difficult for him, as Shylock would surely want to take revenge from Antonio after bearing so much losses. Now children, we'll read the gist of the lines. In these lines, the readers come to know about the situation when Shylock was found shouting in the streets of Venice, and the young boys, considering him a madman, followed him. mocking at the way he was crying at the loss of his daughter and his money. Contemplating the situation, Salanio showed concern about Antonio and said that if Antonio was unable to pay back Shylock's loan, then it would be difficult for Antonio as Shylock would surely take a cruel revenge. Now children, here we have completed the textbook reading of the lines 1 to 26 of Act 2, Scene 8. Now, you have to do the homework given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.